Hello and welcome to the online viewing for apartment 937 Wing Green Road. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom apartment, and this building also benefits from having a lift. Okay, and then up on to the second floor where we have the communal hallway, and we've got the lift here on the left hand side. And we have flat number 9 just here. And there's also a staircase going back downstairs from here as well. Okay, and then moving into the apartments, just looking back here at the front door, then we have a built-in cupboard here on the left-hand side, which also houses the boiler. And then moving through the hallway, we have the 2 bedrooms on the left-hand side, bathroom here on the right-hand side, another storage cupboard here on the left, and then through to the living area. A nice open plan space here. Where we have the lounge, dining area, and through to the kitchen. So there's underfloor heating throughout the whole apartment, and within the kitchen there is a fridge freezer, cooker and microwave, induction hob and extractor above, and there's also a washing machine and dishwasher fully integrated. And then moving through, we have the second bedroom here on the right hand side. Again, looking out towards the rear of the building, where we have the communal parking spaces. There is an allocated space out at the back for this apartment. And then through to the main bedroom. And across to the bathroom. Really good condition, where we have the bath and mixer shower above, and then the toilet and wash basin. There's a heated towel rail. And then just to the rear of the building, we have the communal parking area. And as mentioned, there is an allocated space. There's also a dedicated bicycle shed as well. And then the entrance back out to the front of the building is also gated. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully be speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.